What is going on, everybody? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and we're in the Finding Fast Motorsports garage again today. And this is the Project S10 shop truck, and this escalated extremely quickly. I did not plan on doing a full frame off restoration on this vehicle, but the more I got pulling it apart, the more I saw it's actually a very clean, straight truck as far as what's left of it. And I have all the parts to finish it off and make it a really nice truck. So I was down to the bare cab anyway, so we just pulled it the rest of the way off, and we're getting ready to, what we're going to do today is get this outside, get it loaded up on the trailer, strapped down to get it ready to go off to the sandblasters. They're not quite ready for it yet. They're supposed to call in the next day or two, but I need the room in here and I want it ready to go as soon as they call. So first things first, let's get this outside, get the truck hooked up to the trailer, and get it strapped down. There we have it. We're all loaded up and strapped down. Sandblasters is literally like 2 miles up the road, so I think it'll be good enough for. And we're hooked back up. Turns out the sandblaster can take it today, so we're gonna ride down there real quick and get this thing blasted and get it back, get it painted. Pull in here and get this thing dropped off. And just like that, we're back home. Got the frame dropped off, trailer unhooked. Now it's time to wash this dirty truck. All right, it looks like I ran out of time for today. We were able to get the frame over to the sandblasters. We were not able to get the cart made for the cab to be able to move it around and keep it up off the ground as we work on it. But we'll get to that. And seems like some days you get a lot done, some days you struggle to get anything done. But we still got some things accomplished today, so I'm okay with it. Did get the truck cleaned up, and while we were at it, we also got the Camaro cleaned up. But got in a couple other things, so we just ran out of time. So tune back in, and we'll get the cart made for this. We'll get the rest of the interior stripped out. It's pretty much the dash we have left to go, and then we'll get this thing down and start prepping it for paint. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.
This is a new one. I was looking for the time. All right, guys, so we are here in the Finding Fast Motorsports garage compound, whatever you want to call it, and you got a lot of stuff going on here.
Too much, probably.
He tends to think that he's going to have this truck by February 16th, you know, running and done. And
it's going to be painted and put together. We'll see if it's running or not.
That's a lot of work. Yeah.
We'll see.
I got faith in him. I think he can pull it off. Yeah. I'm excited to see this Camaro project. I've been watching it and obviously talking to him about it and everything like that. And that's one project I really want to see, you know.
Yeah. It's in line. As soon as this truck's off the lift, it's going back on. We're cutting it apart.
You got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I need a garage.
You do need a garage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna work on that.